philosophy. So these are the Prasthantrayi. Everybody I think knows. The Brahma Sutrani is starting from Badarayana. Badarayana is another name of Maharshi Vyas. So Upanishad, again you can say it is not written writer because they are part of Veda, but if you have to say, you can say Vyasa only because he expanded them, and then Bhagavad Gita. This is obviously by from Mahabharata, so by Vyasa only. So these are some basic book is trying to give you like what many different fields of studies are there in Samskrita and what are the famous books into them, so that later going on they will start introducing you small things from all these or from some of these. So this is just for information, no nothing else you have to understand in this. Now we'll come to this story Katha. So Katha is again Akaranta Strilinga Ekvachana. Katha means one story. For two story the word will be Kathe. For many stories it will be Kathah. Now we will come here. If you see Mudha, Mudha, which linga it is, or what kind of word it is? Which anta?
Pumlinga.
Pumlinga, and anta?
Akaranta.
Akaranta. So from our whatever small rule we had, like
Singular.
most of the things which are ending in visarga will be Pumlinga. Yes. So Mudha Jambuka. So Jambuka means jackal. So Mudha means fool. So a jackal who is not wise. So it is story about a jackal who is Mudha. So Ekah Jambukah Asti. Asti. What is the verb in this?
Asti.
Asti. Asti
Asti.
means
Unnadi. There.
is.
Is.
What what
Lives.
tense it, what tense it is?
Past.
Present tense.
Present tense, because we know present tense only, so most of the thing stories and all, as we will know newer tenses, then they will story will be in that tense. Asti means is there. So what you will read it, what is the meaning of this? You can say
One the call is there.
yes, there is one jackal.
Snorkel.
Saha. Now since you defined the noun, so now you will use pronoun to address. Saha ekada. Ekada means once. Aharartham, for food. Ahara means food. Artham means for food. Vane. Vane means in forest. Mati. Bhramati is the verb. So Bhramati means wandering. So Saha Bhramati. Kaha Bhramati?
Vane.
Jambukaha Bhramati. Right? Jambukaha Bhramati. Kutra Bhramati?
Vane Bhramati.
Vane Bhramati. Kimartham Bhramati?
Aharad.
Aharartham Bhramati. Kada Bhramati? Ekada Bhramati.
Ekada.
So once he was wandering in forest for in search of food, right? Ekatra saha drakshalatam pashyati. So verb in this is
Pashyati.
pashyati. Pashyati means
See.
sees,
See.
right? Saha pashyati. He sees what he sees?
Drakshila.
Drakshalatam, creeper of grape. So grape creeper he ekatra means at one place. So ekatra at one place he saw the creeper of grape. Latayam in lata. So this is a way of saying in lata. Anekani. Which linga is this? Anekani
Bahuvachana.
linga
Napumsak.
Sakalinga.
napumsak. So draksha phalani. So draksha phalani. Draksha phalam, draksha phale, draksha phalani, because they are many, right? So for that it is using plural, and phalam is napumsak linga, so phalam's plural is phalani. Now you have visheshana or adjective for this thing, anekani draksha phalani, so they are in same vachana or same, like if this is plural, that is also plural. Latayam, in lata, anekani, many, draksha phalani, grapes, santi. Santi means are there, right? plural of asti. Asti is for one, santi is for many. Tani, tani kani?
Many.
No, tani kani. Tani is what word?
Single.
No, it is plural of tat. Tat, te, tani. So like here for Jambuka you had sah. Here for Draksha Falani pronoun you have tani. Because Draksha Falani was Napumsaka. So here also we are using tad words Napumsaka form. Tad, te, tani. So tani pakwani. They are ripe. Tani pakwani. So what happened? One Jambuka is there, one Jackal is there. Sah ekada aharartham bane brahmati. Once he is roaming in the vana for in search of food. Ekatra sa draksha latam pashyati. One place he sees our grape creepers. Latayam, in that creeper anekani draksha phalani santi. In that creeper many grapes are there. Tani pakwani, they are ripe. So we'll come to next para. Jambu kah chintayati. Chintayati is the verb. Kah chintayati? Jambu kah chintayati.
Jambukah.
What Chintayan he is doing? Adya. Adya means today. Mama. Mama means mine. Draksha phalanam bhojanam. Iti. Iti means like this. Draksha phalanam means of grapes. Bhojanam means food, lunch, dinner, whatever. So Jackal thinks today my meal is these grapes only. Like this he thinks. Draksham labdhum. Labdhum means to get. Upari. Upari means jumping up. Utpatati. Patati means falling. Ut means upside. So means it means jumping. So draksham labdhum, to get grapes. Upari utpatati, jumps upside. Kintu, but draksha phalani na prapnoti. Prapnoti is the word. Negation is added in verb. So na prapnoti, doesn't get what? But grapes he doesn't get. Jambukah punah punah utpatati. Punah punah means again and again. Jambuka means our jackal. Utpatati means jumps. Jambuka jackal jumps again and again. Tatha api, tatha api. Then also phalani, fruits, na prapnoti. He doesn't get the fruits. He jumps many times but he doesn't get the fruits. We'll repeat it. Jambuka chintayati. Jackal thinks adya mama draksha phalanam bhojanam iti. Today our food is today my food is these grapes only. Like this he thought. Then draksham labdhum upari utpatati. To get the grapes he jumped upside. Kintu draksha phalani na prapnoti. But he didn't get the draksha phalani or the grapes. Jambukah punah punah utpatati. This jackal jumps again and again. Tathapi phalani na prapnoti. Then also he doesn't get fruits. Jambukah kupitah bhavati. Now Jambuka jackal kupitah, angry, bhavati. Bhavati is the word. He becomes angry. Saha tani draksha phalani dushayati. Now he, tani means those, draksha phalani means grapes, dushayati tells bad about them. Draksha phalani amlani iti vadati. Draksha phalani means grapes. Amlani means amla is the taste, so sour. So he is telling these grapes are sour. Like this he is telling. Anantaram, later. After that, swasthanam gachati, goes to his place, wherever like yeah, wherever he came from. So this is the story. So if any shabda, any pada in this is not clear, then ask, or any meaning, anything not clear in this, then ask. Otherwise, we'll ask the questions. Okay. So we'll try to answer the questions. Now, Jambukah aharartham kutra atati. First tell the English meaning of this and then answer the question.
Where the Jambuka is wandering or roaming.
No, and one thing you missed. This word meaning.
For food, for food, for food.
Aharartha.
Ahar,
For food.
Yeah.
ahara.
Yes. Now what is the answer?
Vane
Jambukah
Bhramati.
vane atati.
Jambukah aharartham vane atati. Like that. Then Jambukah kim pashyati.
Draksha
What
Falane.
did Jambu
Yes. Just tell me what Jambukah sees.
So,
see?
Draksha Falani.
So Jambukah Draksha Falani
Draksha
Draksha Latam Pashyati.
Latam pashyati.
First he saw the tree and then Latayam Kani Santi.
Anekani Draksha Falan Santi.
Very good. So Latayam, in the Lata, Anekani, many Draksha Falani Santi. Many grapes are there. Jambukah Kim Chintayati.
Jambukah Aham Mam Bhojanatham
What
Draksha
is the English
Falanam
meaning?
Bhojanam.
English meaning of this first.
Why did Jambukah feel worried?
no,
Lataya-
what Jambuka is thinking. Like what the
Yes.
jackal is
Thinking.
thinking.
Kim is what? Jambuka is jackal. Chintayati means thinking.
Thinking.
What Jambuka thinks.
Grapes are my food. Jambuka.
Today my food is this grapes.
Adya draksha phalam eva mam ahar bhojanam. Adya mam draksha phalanam bhojanam. Like this he thinks. Iti Jambuka chintayati. Jambuka kim vadati. What Jambuka says?
Draksha Falani Amlani. Iti vadati.
Draksha phalani amlani. So like this he says. So this is the Moodha Jambuka story. So now we'll come to this thing, Vyavhara. So today's Vyavhara is Samaya. Samaya means time. So any word you see, just try to see its gender. If you get a question like why it is Samaya, why it is not Samayam, why it is not Samaya, keep those questions for some time because we are building our basic vocabulary. So here if we will start asking and answering those questions, this work will get delayed. So this is about time. So now we'll follow these sentences to figure out. Arunaha uttisthati. Uttisthati. Tisthati means stands. Uttisthati means up.
Gets up.
Up. So like here we had utpatati, right? Utpatati. So
Jumps
same
up.
ut for up. So now we will say uttisthati means gets up. Shad vadane. So when you have to tell at what time, then you will say vadane. Shad is the number. Shad vadane. At this time.
Gets
So
up by 6
vadane means
o'clock.
at this time.
6 o'clock.
6
So
o'clock.
Arunaha shad vadane uttisthati. Aruna gets up at 6. Mata ashtavadane upaharam karoti. So
Mom
Prepare the
cooks
breakfast at the time of 8 o'clock.
breakfast.
prepares
Gives or
karoti.
cooks?
Karoti means making.
Making. Okay.
Yeah. Karoti, kri karne. So do kring one dhatu is there, that is in karne for doing. So from there that dhatu this verb is made karoti. So she prepares or she makes. Upaharam means ahara,
Tiffin.
near upahara. So word meaning all the Sanskrit words are having meaning in themselves. So upahara means something near to ahara, not a full-fledged meal but some light meal. Upaharam. Mata ashtavadane upaharam karoti. Then This is for full hour you are telling. If you have to tell 8.5 or 8:30, for that sa ardha. Ardha means half,
Half.
Half.
sa means with. So in Kannada also it is ardha only for half it is said. So sa ardha means with
Ardha
half.
Astvadana.
Saptavadane. So 7.5 means 7:30.
Yeah.
So pita sardh saptavadane agachati. Pita agachati. Pita comes at what time? 7:30.
7:30.
Half past
Sartha
7. Yes.
Saptati. Sartha
Swarna. Swarna nidrati. Some lady or girl named Swarna nidrati. Sleeps. When? So here it
Paduna
is.
Dashavadane.
Pada.
Dashavadane.
Pada means what? Just some
Fourth.
time back.
Quarter.
Quarter.
1/4.
Quarter. Una means
Pardon?
una means less.
going to
Less.
Una means less. So like in Hindi for 19 what is said? Unnis. Unnis.
Yeah.
For from 20 una. From less one
Less
less
than.
from 20.
Yeah.
So like untis. So una comes from there. So a pad una. Quarter less. Dashvadane. Right? So
Quarter to
9:45. So this
what?
is 9:45. 1/4. Quarter of hour is 15 minutes. So
Yeah.
1/4 una means 9:45. So here you have Swarna sleeps at 9:45. Right? Shwaha. Shwaha for tomorrow, coming tomorrow. Dvivadane, 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock.
Acharya, teacher, bodhayishyati. This is present tense. So
Teach.
it will be different. It is not like ti only, it is shati. So this is future tense. So because shva is there, tomorrow. So that is why tense is the future. That you don't know. So bodhayati means as of now you can. Shvaha dvivadane at 2 o'clock Acharya bodhayishyati. Acharya will teach at 2 o'clock tomorrow. Then praparashvaha. Tomorrow is shvaha. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow is parashvaha. A day after tomorrow is praparashvaha. Bhanuvasarah asti. Bhanuvasarah means
Sunday.
Sunday. Sunday.
Sunday.
Bhanu means sun. Vasarah means his day. Now this is for yesterday. Hyaha. Hyaha. Half ha and then ya. Hyaha Vadirajah Geetwan. So the tense should be for yesterday should be what?
past.
Past tense.
Past. So this Geetwan is past tense. Vadiraja is some person. Yah means yesterday. Yesterday Geet Raja sang.
Sang yes.
Adya. Yeah. Adya. Adya means today.
Today.
So today is present. So Adya Asti. Today is there. Grih Pravesh Karyakramaha. So today is housewarming program. Idanim. Idanim means now. Idanim kah samayah.
What is the time now?
What is the time now? Samayah is Pumlinga. So question is Pumlinga. Kah samayah. So the reply is Idanim Trivadanam. So now you see you are not saying Trivadane because Trivadane means at that time. Now you are saying Idanim it is Trivadanam. Now it is 3 o'clock.
Present.
Yes.
It's
If
3
you have
o'clock, it's
say
present.
no, there is a difference. So Dvivadane means at 2 o'clock. Dvivadanam means 2 o'clock. So
Idanim is
Idanim
One is
now
future tense and
Trivadanam. 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. Now it is 3 o'clock. Other if you have to say I will meet at 3 o'clock, then you will say Aham Trivadane Melishyami or Milami. Means if it is near time. Trivadane at 3 o'clock.
if future
Right?
tense you what you can
Melishyami. This Shya will come. That you will read. Don't worry about now.
So
So now
Dvivadane means
at
2
3
o'clock.
o'clock.
at 2 o'clock.
Okay.
Dvivadane means at 2
Yeah.
o'clock. So
Chatrani.
So if I have to
Chaturvadane.
say now
Chatrani.
it's 3 o'clock.
Chatrani.
So Idanim Trivadanam.
Vadanam. Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks.
So in the sentences above, the words convey time are used. You will learn the uses of these words. To indicate a time, the word vadanam is used. So observe like this. So it is now, since you are not saying at that time, so everywhere vadanam is there. So this is panchavadanam, saptavadanam, dashavadanam. Now here sa with, sapad with quarter, panchavadanam. So it should be very easy, because sa and una, only two things are there. Pada is there. Pada means quarter, you know. 5:15 is sapada panchavadanam. 5:30 is sa ardha panchavadanam. So like 5:30 is sa ardha panchavadanam, sa ardha panchavadanam. Now 5:45 is padon shadvadanam. One pada una in shad, one pada less in shad. So like that. So 1 o'clock ekvadanam, 2 o'clock dvivadanam, 3 o'clock trivadanam, like this. So quarter is sapad, hour and half is sa ardha, padona, pada una. Una means less. So like that. And for days, adya is today, shvaha is tomorrow, idanim is now, hyaha means yesterday, parashvaha means day after tomorrow. Praparashvaha means a day after tomorrow. Okay, it is here. So praparashvaha, a day after the day after tomorrow. Similarly, parahyah means a day before yesterday.
Yesterday, day before yesterday.
Praparahya, a day before the day before yesterday. Agami means coming.
I mean,
Gata means previous.
past previous.
Saptaha, sapta ahani,
Week,
sapta days,
week,
7
week.
days group. So week. Paksha means fortnight. Krishna Paksha, Shukla Paksha, like that. 15 days are called as Paksha. Masa is a
month.
Varsham is an year. Samvatsara or Vatsara is also called as year. So now answer 315.
Sapada Tripanchadam.
No.
Trivadanam.
Sapada Trivadanam. At 3:55, 3:15 if I have to say?
3:55 or
3:15.
Sapada Trivadane.
Sapada Trivadane. 4:45, how you will say?
Padona Panchavadanam.
Padona Panchavadanam. Or if you have to meet at somebody at this time, Padona Panchavadane. 11:55, how you will say?
Padona
Dvadas.
Padona Dvadas Vadanam. This one? 7:30?
Sardha
Sardha
Saptavadanam.
Sardha Saptavadanam. This one?
Sapada Dasavadanam.
Sapada Dashvadanam. This one? 6:30?
Sada Shadvadanam.
Sardha
Shadvadanam.
Shadvadanam. That's it. So for now, this is the time what is not given here. So like it is say 6:05. Then we will say Panchadhik Shadvadanam. Adhik means more. So if 6:10 is there, Dashadhik Shadvadanam. Then 6:15 it will come Sapada Shadvadanam already. For 20 you can say Vinshatyadhik Shadvadanam. Panchavimshatyadhik Shadvadanam, like that. So for any time in clock you should be comfortable in telling. So this question is there. Adya Bhanu Vasarah. What it means?
Today is Sunday.
Today is Sunday. Somavasarah Kada. When is Monday?
Tomorrow is Monday.
So what word I should give here?
Shvaha.
Shvaha Somavasare.
Somavasarah. Somavasare means at Monday.
Somavasara.
Okay.
So Budhvasarah Kada. When is Budhvara?
Praparvasva Budhavasara.
So Shvaha Somavasara. Adya Bhanuvasarah. Shvaha Somavasara. परश्वः मंगलवासरः प्रपरश्वः बुधवासरः
प्रपरश्वः
हाँ?
प्रपरश्वः
शनिवासरः कदा
ह्यः शनिवासरः
ह्यः शनिवासरः yesterday was शुक्रवासरः कदा
परह्यः शुक्रवासरः
परह्यः शुक्रवासरः day before yesterday मंगलवासरः कदा
परश्वः मंगलवासरः
परश्वः मंगलवासरः so like this so this is the samaya so this one means if you try to make small sentences like how are you today so if you have to say how are you today how you will say you are asking a person in front of you how are you today
अहं
aham means I aham means I
अहम् आद्याः अदाः
no aham means I so okay you have to ask you don't reply to me
अच्छा
त्वं
त्वं
tvam
त्वम् अदाः
adya
ఈ రోజు ఓకే టుడే
adya
క్షేమ హౌ ఆర్ యు నీవు ఎలా ఉన్నావు
त्वम् अद्य भवति
no
अस्ति
asti is there
किम्
but
अस्ति
question ha kim asti or katham asti katham is
त्वं
better
त्वम् अध
tvam
किम् अस्ति
adya katham
सारी अद्य
अद्य किम् अस्ति
त्वम्
asi
अद्य
asi
त्वम् अद्य किम् अस्ति
katham asi asti is for third person right you are using
Yeah,
pronoun of
sorry,
second
yeah.
person so if you have to use a third person then you can say for male you can say bhavan katham asti bhavan adya katham asti for female you can say bhavati adya katham asti
yes
right
भवान् कथम्
asti bhavan adya today katham asti how are you today suppose you are visiting somebody who is sick so you can ask bhavan adya katham asti today how are you feeling right so if
Yeah.
I have to ask the same question how are you now how I will ask
now
are you
इदानीं
idanim
Bhavan.
how are you now bhavan idanim
भवान्
katham asti
इदानीं कथम् अस्ति
asti so like that so what is the time now if I have to ask idanim kah samayah
कः समयः
इदानीं कः समयः
right if I have to say,
इदानीं नौ अधिक सप्ताह
सप्ताधिक
no, it's 25 so
सप्ताधिक सप्त
पञ्चविंशति
पञ्चदशक्षस्य सप्तांश
so now if you have to say tomorrow 8 o'clock
श्वः अष्टवादने
श्वः अष्टवादने
yeah.
right if you have to say yesterday 2 o'clock
ह्यः द्विवादनं
द्विवादने at 2
द्विवा-
o'clock right
okay
so this is the time simple time so just small sentences if you make it will be very clear actually what we are reading is somebody wrote in group it is rocket science or something so but it is very easy but problem is some
Even practice.
initial vocabulary is not there yes so our basic mother tongue we learn so many things before speaking a kid monitors for around 1+ years what words are getting used and then he starts saying some so similarly we in 3-4 classes if we feel like this is very tough it will not be proper justice to
little bit practice is required
yes practice is required we can
Yeah.
small
Because-
sentences
yeah, mind is
Yeah.
to recognize the words and that's costly that is the more
slowly we will use small Sanskrit sentences
yes. yeah
katham asti bhavati so So instead of asking how are you, katham asti bhavati. So
Yeah.
how means that will bring everything. Now matching will come. Asti when you have to use, santi when you have to use, like that. Okay, we'll see this subhashitam. Su is again for good. Bhashitam means saying. So something good saying. Na kaschit api janati. So janati is the verb. Na comes with verb because it is negated. So na janati. Kaschit api. Anyone doesn't know. Kim kasya shvaha bhavishyati. What, whom, tomorrow will happen. Shvaha is there, right? You already read shvaha. And bhavishyati, this is a future tense verb. So no one knows what will happen to us tomorrow, right? Ataha, therefore, shvaha, karniyani, what you have planned to do tomorrow, kuryat adya eva buddhiman. So who is wise? Whatever he had planned for tomorrow, he will do it today only.
Today.
So there are some sandhis. If you can note, I will repeat it. Na kaschit api. Kahchit. So kahchit, leave it. Kaschit api. No one. Kaschit means number is not known. So kaschit api janati kim kasya. This is shvaha. It becomes, because of sandhi, it became shvo. So it is shvaha. Bhavishyati. अतः श्वः करणीयानि कुर्यात् अद्य एव बुद्धिमान. Adya means today, eva means only. So this subhasita is here because it has some time references. Shvaha, adya, like that. So with this we are done with third chapter. We'll do this exercise and close for
Are
today.
you together for that one? How are you?
Huh?
Hello?
Can you repeat, sir?
Mahoday.
I am not. Yeah.
How are
Vadatu.
you?
कथम अस्ति
How are you?
भवान?
Ah,
भवान कथम अस्ति?
Bhavan. Bhavan.
Katham, even
Katham
katham asti also is enough, because asti
Okay.
is the third person singular verb, so it is for somebody who is neither first or second person. But if you say bhavan, you are specifying it's a male person and you are giving some respect.
Not Bhavati is stealing. Okay.
For strilinga bhavati. Bhavati katham asti.
Bhavati.
Bhavati,
So then
it's a
without respects. Yeah, please go ahead.
No, it is not like that, but it's a new. That's what I told earlier. Like in our Ramayanam and all, everywhere Bhavan Bhavati, they don't say for respect. Respectful use also they use tvam only. So
Shriman.
Maharshe tvam samartho asi. So when our
Tvam Masti.
Valmiki tells to Narada, so he tells Maharshe tvam samartho asi. O Maharshi, you are capable.
Okay.
So he doesn't use Bhavan, but in modern literature, it is Bhavan is used for respect.
Like
So Bhavan,
aap.
like aap, yes, exactly like that.
Okay. Got it. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Now we'll do this. So it says like write down the following sentence in Devanagari script. So this you can write your own. I think Madhukaro nama ekah चालकः मैसूरु नगरे वसति स्म. Tasya, only thing you have to see all the ending, where ending is like sma is there, so here the ma is complete while writing. Then tasya trayah putraah asan. So this is capital. Tasya griham jayanagare asit. This where the top bar is there, they are guru no, dirgha letters. तस्य पुत्राः अध्ययने निपुणाः आसन्. सः सुखेन जीवनं कृतवान्. जीवनं कृतवान्. So this R below dot is for कृतवान्, like that. So this all the verbs in this are past tense verbs. So you will not understand them, like asan, asit, they kritvan, they are past tense verbs. So you just write, don't try to get the meaning. No, if means don't try to get the word by word meaning you can figure out. Meaning is clear also. Madhukara nama ekah chalakah Mysore nagare vasati sma. Madhukar named one driver he used to reside in Mysore. Tasya trayah putraah asan. He had three
Chalaka means
sons. Uh?
chalakaha.
Chalakah means driver who drives.
Okay. Who drives? Okay.
तस्य त्रयः पुत्राः आसन्. He had three sons. तस्य गृहं जयनगरे आसीत्. His house was in Jayanagara. तस्य पुत्राः अध्ययने निपुणाः आसन्. His sons were very good in study. सः सुखेन जीवनं कृतवान्. He happily lived. This is the meaning. Next one is using the Atmanepadi verbs translate the following. Trees grow. What is the Atmanepadi word for grow?
Vardhante. Vardhantve.
Vardhate, edhate.
Vrikshaha vardhate.
Edhate is there. So vrikshaha, edhate, vardhate.
Vardhante.
Girls grieve. What is the verb for grieving?
Balikaha khijante.
Khidyante.
Jante.
Khidyante. Grieves means they are sad. They are sad only you can.
Okay.
You all protect. What is the verb for protect in Atmanepadi?
Yuyam triyadve.
This is trayate. Tra is the verb. So trayate is for third person. Here for second person bahuvachana you will say yuyam trayadve. Street lights glow. Glow is what is the thing for
Prakashante.
prakashate. Street lights means many. It is a plural. What is the street lights Samskrita?
Margadipah.
Deepa.
Margadipah. Margadipah. Then it is plural. The verb also should match. Prakashante. We beg.
Vayam
Vrikshaha.
Viksha Yachamahe.
Viksha is not here. Only beg is there. So vayam yachamahe.
Yacham.
You run away.
Tvam
Run away. Run away. What is
Palayase. Palayase.
Palayase.
Tvam
Palayase.
palayase. So next one is now what is Ubhayapadi?
Both Parasmayapadi and Atmanepadi verb root.
Tita.
A root, verb root which can have forms in Parasmayapadi also and Atmanepadi also. Any example?
Gachati Gachate.
No.
Pachati.
Pachati.
Pachati, pachati, pachate, karoti, kurute.
Yeah.
Right? Karoti, kurute. So what is the meaning of padona?
Padona means quarter, less quarter.
Quarter
Quarter
less.
less. It is
Less
pada una. One
less.
quarter less.
Quarter.
Quarter less. Quarter is called as pada. Una is for less. So padodhika will be called as sapada. Like una is less, sa is with pada. With a quarter. So what is the original form of a verb called
Dhatu.
Dhatu.
dha? Dhatu is the original form of verb. So which word in Sanskrita means quarter past?
Sapada.
Sapada.
Sapada. Padadhik is the
Sapada.
meaning, but word used is sapada.
Sapada.
So with this,
Sapada.
with this we finish our today's class. Next class we will revise. So I think stories and all we don't need to revise. We will revise grammar part only, or exercise also, or as you people say. What you want to revise on Friday?
Same first 1 to 3 lessons.
That is fine.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Grammar
Live
will
parts.
revive.
bhasha,
Grammar.
Yes.
live bhasha abhyasa is there.
Yeah.
Then your this prahelikas are there. Do you want to revise prahelika also and all?
Okay, if time permits, you can do it.
Okay.
But grammar is must.
Main grammar is
First preference.
first, yeah.
So what we will do first, all 3 chapters grammar we will revise with
Present
some
tense.
exercises, and then whatever time rates you make a order, like then what you want to be revised. Like grammar is the first preference.
Yes.
Other preferences you make other as time permits. We will do that way.
Prahelka we can read in the book, no problem. But
Yeah. That is why I
practice is
said.
required for grammar.
Yes. Okay.
Otherwise, the sentence will
That-
go.
Only grammar is most important, sir. So
Yes,
stories
yes.
we can read,
I do
and
agree.
we will be able to understand if we know the grammar.
Good.
Prahelika also will be able to
You can
understand.
understand Prahelka. No problem.
Agree. We'll do that way.
But I'll go with everybody. So whatever everybody agrees, I'm fine. So
Yes,
but
yes.
my
Grammar is
opinion is we'll go with the grammar.
Grammar is the best. Preference is grammar.
Astu.
Dhanyavad,
Then
Mahoday.
samapayamah. What is samapayamah means?
Close it.
Done.
What is the purusha and vachana?
Uttama Purusha Ekavachana.
Vachana.
Bahuvachana.
Like first person.
Manam,
Bahuvachana.
we
Like
close.
patamaha.
Okay, got it.
Then we close them. That's
Samapayami means
Got
I will close.
Yeah.
Samapayamah means we will close.
Samapayamaha.
Right? So we will close now. Meet on Friday. Shubhratri. Dhanyavadah.